Alfred North Whitehead's concept of organic metaphysics by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. Alfred North Whitehead, a prominent philosopher and mathematician, is best known for his groundbreaking work in the field of metaphysics. One of his most influential concepts is that of organic metaphysics, which has had a profound impact on the study of philosophy and the natural sciences. To begin with, it is essential to understand the fundamental tenets of Whitehead's philosophy in order to grasp the concept of organic metaphysics. Whitehead was deeply influenced by the works of Immanuel Kant, George Hegel and Charles Sanders Peirce, among others, and his philosophy reflects a unique synthesis of various philosophical traditions. Central to Whitehead's thought is the rejection of the traditional dualism between mind and matter and the insistence on a more holistic understanding of reality. Whitehead's organic metaphysics is rooted in the idea that the universe is fundamentally organic and interconnected. He posits that all entities in the universe, from the smallest particles to the most complex organisms, are interconnected and interdependent, forming a vast network of relationships. This interconnectedness is not merely a physical or material phenomenon, but extends to the realms of thought, perception, and experience. One of the key concepts in Whitehead's organic metaphysics is the notion of process. Whitehead argues that the universe is not composed of static, unchanging substances, but is instead characterized by a dynamic and ever-changing process of becoming. This processual view of reality stands in stark contrast to the traditional metaphysical frameworks that emphasize stability and permanence. According to Whitehead, everything in the universe is in a constant state of flux, undergoing processes of formation, transformation, and dissolution. The ongoing process of formation, transformation and dissolution aligns with Blavatskyan Theosophy's law of periodicity in the sense that both philosophies emphasize the cyclical nature of existence. Whitehead's idea that reality is in a constant process of formation, transformation and dissolution mirrors the Theosophical belief in recurring cycles of creation, preservation and destruction. Both perspectives highlight the interconnectedness of all phenomena and the dynamic evolution of the universe through successive stages of growth and decay. This parallel between Whitehead's organic metaphysics and Blavatskyan Theosophy's law of periodicity underscores a shared recognition of the inherent flux and rhythm that governs the cosmos. Furthermore, Whitehead's organic metaphysics places a strong emphasis on the concept of creativity. He proposes that the universe is characterized by a fundamental creative urge, which is responsible for the ongoing emergence of novel forms and possibilities. This creativity is not limited to human beings or conscious agents, but is inherent in the very fabric of the universe. Whitehead's concept of creativity challenges the traditional understanding of causality and determinism, offering a more open and indeterminate view of reality. In addition to process and creativity, Whitehead's organic metaphysics introduces the concept of prehension. Prehension refers to the way in which entities in the universe grasp or apprehend one another. It is through prehension that the interconnectedness and interdependence of all things are realized. Prehension is not limited to conscious beings, but is a fundamental aspect of the relationship between all entities in the universe. Whitehead's organic metaphysics also has profound implications for our understanding of the relationship between mind and matter. In contrast to the Cartesian dualism that posits a radical separation between mind and matter, Whitehead's philosophy suggests a more integrated and relational view. According to Whitehead, mind and matter are not ontologically distinct substances, but are rather different aspects of a more fundamental process of experience. This process of experience, which Whitehead refers to as concrescence, involves the coming together of various elements to form a unified and experiential whole. Moreover, Whitehead's organic metaphysics has significant implications for our understanding of causality and agency. In traditional metaphysical frameworks, causality is often understood in terms of external forces acting upon passive substances. However, Whitehead's processual view of reality challenges this understanding by emphasizing the internal relationality and agency of all entities. According to Whitehead, causality is not a one-way street, but involves a complex web of mutual influence and interaction among all entities in the universe. Furthermore, Whitehead's organic metaphysics has important implications for our ethical and aesthetic sensibilities. His emphasis on the interconnectedness and interdependence of all things calls for a re-evaluation of our relationship to the natural world and to other beings. Whitehead's philosophy encourages a more empathetic and compassionate attitude towards the environment and other living beings, emphasizing the intrinsic value of all entities in the universe. Overall, Alfred North Whitehead's concept of organic metaphysics offers a profound and comprehensive framework for understanding the nature of reality. By emphasizing the interconnectedness, processuality, and creativity of the universe, Whitehead challenges traditional metaphysical dualisms and offers a more holistic and relational view of the world. His philosophy has far-reaching implications for our understanding of causality, agency, ethics, and aesthetics, and continues to inspire and provoke philosophical inquiry in the contemporary context.